He told me that occasionally he had to catch his bearings when he stands because sometimes his balance just feels off. When I got off the phone with my dad, I realized that I help hundreds of people with their balance in my physical therapy practice, and I just wished that I could help my dad with his balance. As a physical therapist, I get such a reward out of creating home exercise plans to help people improve their strength and their balance and coordination. And it was so frustrating to think that my own family members and friends were struggling with their balance while I helped so many other people with home exercise plans that are really simple but effective. So I created 21 Days to Better Balance. It's a day-by-day program that lays out a simple routine for improving your strength, balance, and overall stability. Short of going to a physical therapist, I haven't seen anything like this out there. For each day of the program, there's one page with easy-to-understand pictures and descriptions of each balance exercise. And every day is a little different, progressing you through exercises that we would do in the clinic to improve your balance. After each workout, you can track it with a calendar and go through the program as many times as you want. It's really easy to print off the program or to reference it on your tablet. I still love working with people in the clinic with their balance, but I can only see so many people in a day. 21 Days to Better Balance is just one way I can help people feel more confident and active so they can live their life with less fear of losing their balance in their home or at work. You can find the same program I gave to my dad at getbetterbalance.com. It feels good to know that I can help people outside the clinic, and hopefully I get the chance to help you or your family members get better balance too.